So this is going to be replacing that. So let's see what's in the box. I'm Nick Holmes. I'm a fueling automation engineer, a voluntary rescue technician, and a passionate aviator. Join me as I take you through learning to fly and onto the adventures of backcountry aviation in South Africa. Okay, so that was the Ampetronic Skydat GX1, which was in the aircraft. It's a basic engine management system with a little bit of an EFIS display, VFR EFIS. It's got obviously an airspeed indicator and an altimeter. Pretty old, no spares available. Yeah, getting a bit long in the tooth, so it's kind of been bugging me for a while. It's been, in my words, a little suspect. So yeah, we bought this. Let's unbox it and see what we've got. Somehow I've managed to lose all of my unboxing footage. I have some photos, that's about it. Don't know what happened to the rest of the footage. Probably deleted all the files by accident. Anyway, I'll post some videos up, some photos up now. I have to come back next week and check the install video. Yeah, come and check the install and config, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and hop over next week and see what we've got.